Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is where we talk about business for content creators. So last week I bought a course by Ali Abdaal called Creatorpreneur. It's just come out. It's a fantastic course, but what I want to do today is not talk about the content itself. I want to talk about the business model around the course. Why? Well, I'm sure many of you have thought about creating your own courses, and what better way of kind of finding out how to do it than to actually analyze how someone else has done it successfully, and who better than Ali Abdaal. We're going to use the business model canvas by Strategyzer because what it does is it enables us to visualize the business model and make it really simple so we're completely clear on how it works. The value proposition here, or the product, is the Creatorpreneur course, and it's targeted at the customer segment of part-time YouTubers. Now, what they want to do is they want to make the transition from maybe doing it as a hobby or doing it part-time to be able to turning it into a full-time business for them. Now, Ali is selling it through his YouTube channel. He'll make a video and then maybe mention the course at the end of it so that people can sign up. And another thing that I've noticed him do is he has a 5-day newsletter that gets people interested in the topic. And then at the end of the 5-day newsletter, he'll then say, oh, by the way, if you found this interesting, you should sign up for the course. And Ali actually delivers the program through the Teachable platform. So he's got all the videos on there, and that's how you watch them. Next up, we have the customer relationship. The best way to describe this would be that we're fans, right? We like watching Ali Abdaal, and it makes sense that we would then buy his course. The revenue stream is a one-off transactional fee of $799. Something that you always want to do is look at ways to kind of make them recurring revenue streams, because in this case, he's charged the $799 and put in a lot of work to be able to get that. But if you could find a way to kind of get people to pay it again and again, that would be a great thing that you could do to improve this business model. Let's look at the key activities. Here, the big thing that he's doing is selling the course through his YouTube videos, but also might be mentioning it on Twitter, in his Instagram stories, in all these different places. And a key resource that enables him to actually sell the program and make enough money to make it viable is that he has his 3 million YouTube subscribers. That's so important because having them at the top of the funnel means that he's going to have enough people buying the program at the end of it, as I say, to make it worthwhile for him. Now, once he's sold it, the other thing that he's got to do is then deliver the program. And so creating the course, that's a huge activity, an important one for him as well. And then, of course, he needs a skilled team to be able to help him do it. I know that he's got a fantastic team of videographers. He's got the team that's helping him kind of like speak to customers, uploading it onto the Teachable platform. They're doing all these things for him. And that's essential for this business model to work. Lastly, we've got the cost structure, which are the salaries. That's probably the biggest fee that Ali has to pay to be able to get this course out there and working. There are other ones, but I think that's probably by far the biggest one. By the way, I don't have any inside information here. This is just my kind of external analysis of looking at how Ali's done it. And that's a really important point here because we can look at how other people have created their courses and learn a hell of a lot to be able to apply when we want to do it ourselves. So I really like using the business model canvas to do this. And what I'd recommend to you is that if you go on Strategyzer's website, you can download the business model canvas and you can do this to apply to other businesses, but you can also apply it to your own business going forward. And I think it's going to help you get clear on what you want it to look like and find ways that you can improve your business ideas. What I think I'm going to do is start a new series called YouTuber Business Models. This was kind of like the first test. What I'd love to know is, did you find this useful? First of all, let me know in the comments. And are there any other YouTubers that you'd like me to do this kind of business model analysis of? Let me know in the comments. And as always, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Why not subscribe as well? And I look forward to seeing you, yes you, in the next video. See you later, everybody.